Back in Dollar Tree. I'm actually here to buy some more of the crew cleaner. I'm just going to put my purse in the buggy or in my cart. Some of you have been asking me if I've liked my Teddy Blake, and yes, I do. I love using the little bucket here and there when it's a light run. I like having a bigger tote type of bag if I have a bigger run out to Dollar Tree, but today I do have some goodies that I'm looking for, so I didn't need a very big bag. These are so cute. They so remind me of when I was a child because they'd always have the cutest little wooden thingies to play with. I'm having way too much fun with these. These are already really cute signs, but if you need the back, don't forget you can easily transform it or have a dual-sided sign afterwards. I used these to make a little glitter bunny, and it turned out really cute. It holds up so well, so if you want to do that, I'll link the description tutorial down below for you guys. Just go through the garden stuff here. So they had these last year, but they seem to be a lot sturdier. They're a little bit flimsy this year. Oh my goodness, look. I never imagined these arriving in Canada, to be honest with you. I just thought this was going to be a US thing. It's super cute. I'm going to try to pull it out of a box maybe just to see if it's as cute as it is on the box. But you can put this next to your soap dispenser in your kitchen and put your sponge in it. Every so often, obviously, clean it out. But how freaking cute to put your little sponge in or something like that near the sink. I'm not sure if they keep receiving stock for these or if they're just not selling. I anticipated these to sell out so fast this year. I'm hanging tight to see if something different comes out in this style of pencil case or pencil holder. It is so large. Has anyone spray painted it and has it held up? I saw these at a toy store, and would you believe that they're selling for $14.99? So this is, I guess, a good super looper, because I can't imagine a toy store charging $15 for a really cheapy metal ring. You know what I mean? Check this out. They have stickers at the way back of the store. So I'm turning the corner here, and there's tons of stickers. And you know me, as soon as I see stickers, all the little alarm bells go off. But there's some really cute little packages here. So this is the Crew product that I really like. And then I'm just going to take a look. Oh, they have some more of the cleaning liquid, which is kind of similar to Vim. If you want to try it, you can. I'm currently using a yellow bottle, and it's okay. Wizard toilet bowl cleaner, which I love, and I've taught you guys about that. Oh, it looks like they have some spring collection or summer collection coming out. So I was gonna look for the glassware that they have, supposedly with cute watermelons, I think, and lemons, but any Dollar Tree I've been to hasn't had them. Also, another thing is I've been looking for, it's kind of like a vegetable or olive oil, and it's infused with different, this is a pretty good value if you have little ones. So it's like infused with garlic and rosemary, different herbs. And I've been looking for it, but I haven't been able to see it here. This is new here, Jack Link's teriyaki. I've never tried these, to be honest with you. These are fantastic, a great value, very flavorful, great tasting, and I believe they run for about $5 US down south. Oh, this is interesting. I think I may try this. If you have a St. Patrick's Day party celebration, these are cute because they're green. Kind of goes with the theme. You guys probably get tired. I always film this area for you, but you know that this is my like happy place in Dollar Tree. Look, these are new. I always bought something new. They have a ton of placemat booklets. These are activity placemats, I think activity pads or something like that for kids, and they have quite the variety. This is giving me an idea. I keep looking for a bunny thinking that puppy is a bunny, but I'll have to come up with something for a bunny.
Okay? What the hell? Oh, sorry. Where did this come from? Have a nice day. Thank you. crazy girl.
These little novelty pens always get me. Anyways, I'm at the checkout. I'm gonna say goodbye. Hope you guys had fun walking around with me. Until next time, bye for now.